Hello, you're watching HW News. Amid fresh Indo-Pak tensions, the public hearing in the Kulbhushan Jadhav case commenced today before the International Court of Justice, which is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations. Jadhav, a retired Indian Navy officer, was sentenced to death by a Pakistani military court on charges of espionage and terrorism in April 2017. The hearings at the ICJ are taking place 4 days after one of the worst terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir that killed around 40 CRPF Jawans. India had approached the ICJ for egregious violation of the provision of the Vienna Convention on Consular Relation of 1963 by Pakistan in the case. Senior advocate Harish Salve, who is representing India before the International Court of Justice, said that Pakistan is embarrassed to disclose its judgment in this case. He also read out the chronology of the case since Jadhav was arrested. Salve had spent a long time on explaining the way in which the court needs to view the current case, emphasizing decisions of international court like the Inter-American Court of Human Rights, which say that the right of consular access is a human right of high importance. Salve had further counters some of Pakistan's arguments against consular access, including a claim that India hadn't proved Kulbhushan Jadhav's nationality. He says that Pakistan had already acknowledged Jadhav as an Indian national in communication to India and other countries. Salve at ICJ said that Pakistan has knowingly and willingly violated Article 36 of the Vienna Convention and consequences must follow. He has also argued that why Pakistan's argument that Article 36 doesn't apply on spices is baseless if a state's actions are contrary to the clear words of a treaty. It cannot rely on state practice or customs to justify the behavior. Pakistan has been using Jadhav to build a narrative against India, Salve says. Salve has also explained how Pakistan has ignored 13 requests for consular access to Kulbhushan Jadhav. Pakistan at one point said that they might consider it if India assisted their investigation into him being an Indian spy and asked for evidence such as bank account, phone numbers, etc. Pakistan will place its argument tomorrow around 2:30 p.m. Jadhav was apprehended on March 3rd of 2016 after illegally crossing into Pakistan from Iran, according to Pakistani officials. Indian officials say that he was abducted from Iran and taken to Pakistan against his will. The ICJ has set a timetable for the public hearing in the high-profile case from February 18 to 21st of 2019. Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Ravish Kumar declined to go into the details of it. However, India maintains that Jadhav was kidnapped from Iran, where he had business interest after retiring from the Indian Navy. For more news updates, log on to www.hwnews.in.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.